Hi everyone. So sitting down watching YouTube as I do fairly frequently, and I'm watching reviews of the DJI NEO. So I decided to go and purchase one. Now I weren't too sure whether to do a video on it or not, because there's loads of people out there doing videos on it and they're all professionals. A lot of them people know what they're doing, so and talking about, and you know, I'm not no expert, guys, so I just like to watch reviews. But anyway, I figured I'd just do a little video and just show you what I plan on using it for. And all I will be using it for, folks, is to do some follow me shots and some of the quick shots, and basically have it in my pocket when I'm out and about, mainly for social media. I have seen lots of people on comments moaning about the camera not being that good. But for me, it'll be fine. For what I want it for now, it will be fine. No doubt DJI will sort out probably a few minor issues with the drone. But for me, I'll be happy with it. And they'll probably upgrade it and there'll be a Neo 2, Neo 3 or Pro at some point in the future. And I might end up getting another one. So yeah, I went to collect it from the shop. Pretty shocked when I saw the size of the package. I don't know why. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger. And that's the box it came in, and literally the drone weighs nothing. So yeah, it's, as we know, it's 135 grams, so it doesn't weigh much at all. And this is it. This is the drone. So I'm going to take it out, I'm going to do a little walk, and then I'm just going to fly it in a follow me mode and a quick shot mode, just as I would if I was out walking. I'll get it out of my pocket. I'm just going to let it go up. I'm probably not going to do and show you all the other features on it. I ain't decided yet, but I just want to show you what I'm going to use it for, and that's it really, and then see what you think. Fantastic little thing. I've had it, flown it in the house and flown it in my garden, and yeah, quite impressed with it for what it is. So yeah, we'll take it for a little fly and you can see it. Right folks, so we're out now doing a bit of a walk. It's just not far away from where I live, just really to give this little drone a test. Right folks, so I'm going to try the little test now. It's quite windy actually. Alright, so the drone is up folks, and let's see if it follows us. So walking along folks, and this is what I'm aiming for. So little droney shots like this. You have to excuse the wind because it is getting really windy. And yeah, it's following me okay. It's doing exactly what I want it to do. So yeah, more than happy with that. You can in the settings change it and make it so it's doing a more shorter distance shot. And you can have it set so it's not. So what I'll do now folks, I'm going to turn around, head back, and hopefully we'll get no one following us. So yeah, turning it round and heading back. So yeah, got the drone following me now folks. Bit less wind. I've set it to 4, and hopefully this is kind of what I'm wanting it to do. So, you know, if I'm doing geocaching or whatever and just out for a walk, I can get it to follow me in this way, or do directional shots. That's the plan. So yeah, I will stop it there. So that's a far shot, as you can see. There's the drone stopped. That's just a case of putting it into my hand now, and that's it. It's back into my hand, as you can see. So now we can do a quick shot. So
circle, rock, spot, direction, follow, droney. 6 meters. Droney.
So I've set droney for 6 meters.
2, 1.
And off he goes. Nice easy drone shot. And then back towards me. Now I've got my phone in my pocket, folks. I'm not even using my phone to show you these. And that's it. That's that shot done. Easy, innit? So let's do one of the quick shots.
4 meters. Rocket.
So nice easy rocket.
2, 1.
And it's easy rocket, that one. Off he goes. There he goes. Back to the position we started at. Oh, as easy as that, folks. As easy as that. Nice easy shots. Obviously it does a circle as well. I can get it to do a circle as well. So, but I've got a power line there, so I don't really want to do it. But yeah, so you get the gist of it, folks. That's a look at what it does. As you can see, it's pretty good and pretty simple to use. So yeah, hope it's helpful. I mean, it's a cracking little thing, cracking little drone. So as you can see, this is a spotlight shot. So when I wanted to film it, so I'm walking along here and I wanted to film me. And then it's got me as a turn, you see, so that's a good little feature. And I can obviously follow me around. That's pretty cool. That's another little fancy feature which I quite like. So yeah, overall, it's quite a good little drone, this. Quite impressed with it. And probably what I want it for anyway. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this one. Just give you that little view of what it can do. Obviously I can manually control it as well for photo shots, etc. But I don't think I'm going to bother. I've got a tractor that's ploughing up and down next to me. So I don't want to kind of give away what I'm doing. But if I get a chance, I'll just drop a photo so you can see. Right, we're going to head up this lane now. So I might get the drone to follow me along here. So we'll get the drone to follow us along this path here, guys. Right, I've got the drone follow me along this lane, and he should stay dead centre of where I am, hopefully. So yeah, hopefully it's given you some sense of what this little thing can do if you're thinking about buying one yourself. Like I say, I only want it for photos, the odd quick shot. I've not done circle today, but I'll do that another day. And yeah, hopefully you get some sort of idea. So I'll come up to here and then I'll stop the drone. So yeah, folks, I think for me it works well. It might not work well for everyone, but it's less than £200, so you know, it's for what it is, and it's easy and quick just to get out your pocket and put up in the air if you want to do quick shots for social media, if you want to do the follow me options. It's good for that sort of thing. So yeah, I think it'll suit me and it'll suit my channel, but obviously won't suit everyone. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously there's loads of videos online, so go and check those out that are a lot more detailed about using your phone, and what you actually can get if you buy the combo pack with the controller and the extra batteries. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, everyone, and we'll see you later. Bye.